At the end of the video, I just want to share some quick tip to avoid this error 5665. To avoid the hassle of running into the error 5665, I recommend that. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mir and I make regular videos about Amazon FBA. In today's video, I will be discussing about error 5665. This error occurs when you make a new listing on Amazon FBA and you do not have a brand registry on Amazon. So Amazon wants to verify that you are the brand owner of the product you are selling. Error 5665 means that Amazon wants to verify that you are the brand owner and the brand name you have mentioned on the Amazon listing belongs to you. There are a few ways to resolve this error. I will mention a few techniques how to resolve this error. Take a few photos of your product and its packaging from different angles, showing the brand name mentioned on it while holding the product on your hand or somewhere around the table. You have to make sure that the product clearly shows your brand name. Name your product photos appropriately and save them in JPEG format rather than as PNG. The third step is to open a case with Amazon mentioning your error code 5665 and then attach the photos of your product or the packaging and send it to Amazon seller support. After accepting your proof, Amazon will give you a go-ahead to list your products under the brand name that you are going to solve this error 5665 for. You can apply this method only if you have the product at your place. For example, you are in a different country and your product samples are in China and you do not own the physical sample till now. So how you would resolve this error when you do not have the product with you? Now follow these steps. You can use design softwares instead of taking photos. Go for this solution if you can't take photos of your product or packaging. You can use graphic softwares like Photoshop, Canva, or there might be few others. With the help of these softwares, you can add your product brand name or product brand name on your product or in the packaging. Secondly, you can hire a designer if you are not comfortable using these softwares, so he can get things done for you. Lastly, your final image should look real, so you can send it over to Amazon support team so they can verify that these are real images and you are the real brand owner of the product you are going to list on Amazon. So these two methods are very appropriate and you can use them to list your brand name or to list your product under the brand name you want to sell. There is also a third option that many people use as a new seller, but I don't recommend that, but you can still sell on Amazon with this method. But that's not a long-term solution. So here is the method. You can fix error 5665 without sending the product to Amazon seller support. If you are in a hurry and you want to avoid sending photos to Amazon or whatever it can be the reason, so you can simply use this method to list your products. You can try to create a product listing without a brand name. The first step is to go to Seller Central and create a listing. If you don't know how to create a listing, here is the video, or you can check the description for how to create a listing on Amazon. I've already made a video on that. In the brand name section, you have to put N/A or simply NA to avoid the brand name. So this is not your brand name, but this is a solution to sell your product on Amazon without a brand name. But as I said before, this is not a long-term solution. You should try to resolve the error 5665 with the two methods I explained you in the video. But if you later want to update your brand name with Amazon, you can always open a case with Amazon's seller team or seller support to get your brand name registered or verify your brand name through the customer support by following the methods I explained you before. At the end of the video, I just want to share some quick tip to avoid this error 5665. To avoid the hassle of running into the error 5665, I recommend that you trademark your brand name and then apply for Amazon brand registry. To speed up things, you can always use Amazon IP Accelerator, or you can use a third-party service provider to get it done for you. By doing so, it can get your brand registry done within few weeks. If you are not familiar with all this information, you can always send an email to the email address mentioned below, and we will be helping you with resolving the error 5665. Thanks for watching this video. I hope after watching this video you will be able to solve your error 5665 by your own self. Till next time, take care. Bye bye.